Woke up stiff, shoulders rounding, posture already off? Let's reset all of it in just 5 minutes. This isn't just a stretch, it's a posture reset. We'll open your spine, release shoulder tension, and unlock space to breathe again. By the end, you'll stand taller, feel lighter, and move like your body was meant to. Let's hit the mat. This isn't just a warm-up, this is the reset your nervous system has been waiting for. Start in child's pose, knees wide, arms long, inhale here. Then as you exhale, slither your chest forward into cobra. Lift the heart, pull the shoulders down and feel the spine ripple open. Flow back and forth slowly, intentionally. Let your breath lead your movement. I promise this flow will reduce tension in your spine and ignite energy through your whole body. Beginners keep elbows slightly bent in cobra. Advanced stretches, add a pause in each position and hold your breath out of control. Fun fact, spinal movement first thing in the morning improves your mood by increasing fluid exchange around the brainstem. You should try doing this every day. 5 more seconds. Can you lengthen just a little more? Do you feel the difference from your first rep to now? That just unlocked your back. Now let's soften the lower spine. Slide your body down onto your mat. Forearms beneath your shoulders. Lift the chest gently. Don't push. Just allow the spine to extend. This is more about melting than forcing. Relax your glute. Keep your shoulders away from your ears. Breathe deep. I promise this posture soothes compression in your lower back and opens up your breathing. Beginners bring forearms further forward for less intensity. Advanced stretches, tuck the chin and roll side to side gently. Here's a fun fact. A gentle back bend like Sphinx helps regulate cortisol first thing in the morning. Now 5 more seconds, sink into it just a little more. Is your breath moving more freely already? That just created space in your lower spine. Let's stretch it all the way up. Knees under hips, arms walk forward. Rest your forehead or even your chest on the mat. This is where we release that hunch most of us carry in the upper body. Keep hips stacked over knees. Let the chest melt toward the mat. I promise the stretch will open your thoracic spine and restore shoulder mobility that you didn't even realize you're missing. Beginners use a pillow or block under the chest. Advanced stretches, try resting the chin instead of forehead for deeper shoulder work. Your thoracic spine holds 12 vertebrae and it's the least moved part of most people's day. Let's change that. 5 more seconds. Can you drop your heart a little lower? Feel that across your upper back? That's stock tension leaving. That just unlocked your shoulders. Now let's uncage the chest. Come to a tall kneeling position. Interlace your fingers behind your back. Pull your fist down as you lift your heart and gaze. This is the move to reverse slouching. Focus on drawing your shoulder blades together while keeping the ribcage soft. I promise this will reverse tech neck and help you breathe deeper all day long. Beginners, use a towel behind your back if you can't clasp hands. Advanced stretches, lean back slightly while keeping hips open. Your pecs can actually pull your shoulders forward if they're too tight. This move neutralizes that. Let's go. 5 more seconds. Pull and breathe. Is this stretch uncomfortable? That means you really need it. That just cracked open your chest. Now we hit the final release. From all fours, thread your right arm under your body. Rest your head and shoulder on the mat. Left hand can stay planted or reach overhead. This twist is like wringing tension out of your upper spine. Keep your hips square. Relax your jaw. I promise this will make your shoulders feel looser and your breath more spacious. Beginners, keep left hand grounded for support. Advanced stretches, lift the left arm and spiral it toward the ceiling. Thread the needle, targets the serratus posterior, a muscle that gets no love but plays a huge role in posture. Last 5 seconds. Can you sink a little deeper? Feel that in the shoulder blade? That's realignment happening. Now let's even it out. Same setup, now thread the left arm through. Notice if the side feels different. That's your body revealing its own story. Relax into it, don't rush. Let gravity do the work. I promise this one shoulder release will help prevent tension from creeping back in later today. Beginners, stay shallow and focused. Advanced stretches, stack the shoulders and gaze up. Twists help stimulate your parasympathetic nervous system, aka rest, digest, and recover. 5 more seconds. Sink, soften, surrender. Did one side feel tighter than the other? That's your next focus. You reprogrammed your posture and breath for the day ahead. But if you spend hours at a desk, that reset won't hold on its own. That's why I created the 3-day reset, a free daily plan to keep your body pain-free, aligned, and fully supported. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment before your body slips back into old patterns. You've already shifted something, let's build on it together.